Find the sum and product of polynomial 6x square minus 3x plus 8. Now, compare the given polynomial 6x square minus 3x plus 8 with ax square minus bx plus c. Then a equal to 6, b equal to 3 and c equal to 8. Sum of zeros is minus b by a, that equal to minus b means 3, a means 6, that equal to 3 ones 3 twos minus 1 by 2. Product of zeros equal to c by a. C means 8 by a means 6. 8 by 6, 2 fours, 2 threes, 4 by 3. These are the sum and this is the product of the zeros. That ends the problem.